There are a lot of translation jobs, gigs that are available online, and you don't need experience to do this or to start making money or to get started with this. You don't need to know more than one language to do this effectively, to do this properly. You can do this from any country. It doesn't matter where you are. So just stick with me to the end of this video. Watch till the end because it's going to be a step-by-step guide. My name is Charles and I'm passionate about businesses. I love to see people and businesses grow, and that's what I do in this channel. If you have not subscribed to this channel, subscribe, turn on the notification so you can see more videos about business, online marketing, make money online and life. You might be saying, I don't know how to speak Dutch. I don't know how to speak English. I don't know how to speak French. I don't know how to speak Spanish. The method I'm about to share with you, they are very simple, it's straightforward, and you don't need to pay any form of money to get started with this. You just need to dedicate your time, watch till the end, share your thoughts in the comment section. So translation jobs can pay you from $0.07 to $0.50 per word. If you want to calculate it and say, okay, you're going to get paid maybe 0.15, and it's a document that has up to 1,000 words. You're writing an article that has up to 1,000 words. So you can say 0.15 times 1,000, and you see you're going to get $150. So in an article, just an article that contains 1,000 words, you're getting $150. This is very easy. It's an easy strategy for you to implement and for you to do. Translating a document or something, it's not as hard as you think. Only overthinking. You don't need to learn a new language to do this. So we are going to take a case study. The first, I'm going to be showing you different websites. The first I'm going to be showing you is, we all know this, is Google Translate. Yes. So let's say you want to translate a language from French to English. So you click here, detect a language, and then you select French, and then maybe you put in the French stuff you want to translate. And this is the French, this is English. You want to translate it to English, you can say English. Everything you need to earn a 7-figure income online is here without 7-digit trainers and a copy and paste system. Even if you don't have skills, all you need is just your smartphone and all of that. So it has just successfully translated this to English. Now you might be saying, what if the people giving out the gigs or the jobs, like, can they do this themselves, blah blah blah? Most people, most business owners, most people don't even have that time to do that. They just want other people to do it for them, to do the job for them. You might think it's easy, you just copy and paste. Most people don't have that 1 hour that you're going to use to do this, or 30 minutes or 2 hours to do this, and they believe you can do it properly. Google Translate is one thing you can use, but I might say, there are other platforms or other websites that you can use to do this properly. The next one that you can also use to do this is Deep Translate. Google Translate is not 100% accurate. Deep Translator is more accurate than Google Translate. You have the free plan, you have the paid plan, but with the free plan you can be able to do some certain things. So let's use French again. Let's translate something from French to English. So you can see everything you need to earn a 7-figure income online is here without 7-figure trainers and copy and paste system. Even if you have no skills, all you need is a smartphone or laptop. Now if you notice, there are some minor errors in this, but I would show you another way that you can do this, but I would advise that you start with this before following the next step I'm about to show you, which is going to Fiverr. What you want to do is to search translate. You can see here that there are a lot of gigs available here. So what are we going to do? We're going to pick a language you want to translate, let's say German or Spanish. You click Spanish, and then you want to translate the Spanish to English, or maybe you might see people that want to translate from English to German or English to Spanish or Italian and all of that. So you pick a language, you pick Spanish here, and then you pick a language to translate to. You want to translate, you can translate from Spanish to German or from Spanish to English. Click Spanish to English, and then you click apply. And then it's going to bring results for people that offer such services. But what you are going to do, you are going to take advantage, you are going to leverage on other people. You're going to get them to do the dirty work, and we'll just get whatever comes out of it. So you can click here budget. You don't want to spend so much, because if you scroll down, you see people, you see here is like £87. Forget the pounds that is here, £87. To just save your time, go to budget, click on budget, and then you can write the maximum amount that you're willing to pay, which I think £5 is okay. Let me change this to dollars. So we can change the budget to $5 maximum. I think we have already done that. The maximum is 5 and apply it. So you can see all gigs you're seeing here are just within $0 to $5. So you can see I will translate English to Spanish or Spanish to English, and it's for $5. You can see this. I will translate 800 words in English to Spanish or Portuguese at $5. So that means 800 words for $5. From what we calculated, 1,000 words at the rate of 0.15 to give you $150. So you're only going to spend $5 to get 800 words translated from English to Spanish or Portuguese, and then you're going to pocket the rest. So out of that $150, you're going to get $145 as your profit. You're just going to get someone to do it, and the person will do it. So you can see there are other ones here. Translate Spanish to English, Spanish to English. Remember the filter, we added the filter for just Spanish to English. All of them are for $5, $5. You don't even need to stress yourself about trying to go to Google Translate and all of that. You can do this. Just come here, leverage on these services, leverage on other people, get them to do it for you, and then you take your profit. So the next thing we're going to do is we are going to go to the website where you can get gigs, get paid for translating. So you go to Fiverr and outsource it. This is translate.com is the first one we'll be looking at. So we need to get started, and to get started, click become a translator. So you can see you work any place, anytime. Every day there are translations, there are gigs. So you can translate blog articles, social media posts, support tickets, and you're being paid by word. So it's by word that they are paying you. No bidding for work. Every task is first come, first serve. No more bidding or waiting for translations. 24/7 easy cash out. You can cash out easily to your PayPal, your Wise, your Revolut, your Payoneer account, Paxum. I showed you how to create a Payoneer account. You can check my other videos where I talked about it, maybe after watching this video. So you can see the languages that are in demand. In-demand language pairs. Number of orders is constantly growing, and we need more and more translators for some increasingly popular language pairs. So you can see English to Finnish, English to Swedish, English to Norwegian, English to Dutch, English to Danish, English to Korean, English to Malay, German to Spanish, French to English, British, Polish to English, English to Bulgarian, English to Thai, and English to Finnish is in high demand for some funny reason. I don't know why. Once you click here, sign up with your US phone number. It is important that you sign up with your US phone number. This is another platform. Gengo is another platform, and it's another platform where you can make more. And so far, they have translated 1 billion words. And you want to get started with this, you click on sign in. Once you click on sign in, at the top right, you see sign up. Click on sign up to get started with this. You want to sign up on 3-4 platforms so that at least you'll be having gigs from each of those platforms. So you can see here, you can sign up as a customer or a translator. You want to sign up as a translator. So the next one you need to use is TextMaster. Now, TextMaster is one of the best translation service or platform that is out there. You click on create account to get started. Like I said, I just want to show you quickly how to do this. Create account, and then you can see you can select a different role to get started with. You can select the role as a client or as a translator or a copywriter. So now these two services work hand in hand, translator and copywriting. If you're a translator and you're a good copywriter, you have an edge over others. So like I said, you can see how much you'll be making for 1,000 words article or blog post, $150. And if you go over to Fiverr and look for a cheap service for $5, see, I will translate between English, French, Italian, German, and Spanish for just $5. And one thing you need to do when checking out or when trying to leverage on other smaller services on Fiverr, you also want to check out their reviews before getting started, which is very important. So you know, for someone that has over 100 reviews, you know that person is doing a good job, obviously, for him to be getting more sales. You can see here, excellent, thank you, excellent, thank you, happy with the delivery and communication. You can leverage on someone like this to get your stuff done. So you see, you don't need experience. It's all about you devoting your time to leverage on other people, not to do the hard work. So I want to suggest that you start doing the hard work. Like I said, you don't need experience. All you need to do is to leverage on other people, leverage on technology. I've shown you different websites where you can translate for free, and I've shown you where you can, get services. So if you have any questions, you have tips, you want to share your thoughts, put it in the comment section. I might reply you, I might give you a feedback. If this is your first time on this channel, subscribe, like this video, and also share this video. You might want to check out this other video right here, and also the video. There are links in the description. You want to check it out. It's your choice. I'll see you in this other video. Cheers.